Hi, it's Barb from the Deception Bay Neighbourhood Centre. Today we're going to be bringing back an old classic of chocolate crackles. Okay, so first of all we need 4 cups of rice bubbles into our bowl. To that we're going to add 1 cup of icing sugar and 3 tablespoons of cocoa. So we just sift that through. We'll then give it a quick mix, and then we've got 1 cup of coconut. Mix that around until it's all combined. This is nice and quick, the kids can do it. Now what I've done, I have melted the cocoa in the microwave. So we just pour that in. That is 1 250 gram block of cocoa. Mix it around. And get all that chocolatey goodness coming through from the cocoa. Whoopsie-daisy. Mix it all around, and then all we have to do is to pop it into the patty pans, which I have prepared earlier. And that's it. Nice, quick, simple. Okay, so that's mixed. We'll just spoon it into the patty cakes. So just spoon these into the patty pans and then prop them in the fridge till they set. You should make about 24. Once these are set, you can store them in the fridge in an airtight container, maybe for about 4 days. You can actually even freeze them. So wrap them individually, and then they can go into the freezer. Okay, there we have 24 chocolate crackles ready for the fridge.